So this is the power couple when it comes to repairing your nails. You've got your O.P.I Repair Mode Bond Building Nail Serum with Keratin and your O.P.I Nail Envy Nail Strengthener. Now my nails are very delicate and brittle, and this is exactly what I need, and I'm going to give it a try. So I'm going to start with the Bond, the keratin protein, and it says to apply about 2 layers on your nail. Now, this doesn't really leave any shine behind. It's just like a bunch of fibers. It's supposed to penetrate your nail bed to repair those bonds from within. And then I'm going to add a coat of the Nail Envy Nail Strengthener. This is a very pretty color, but it goes on clear and there is a gloss finish. So I'm looking forward to seeing the results after using a few weeks. It seems very promising.